The Hawk to It podcast?
Talk to it.
Talk to. Oh, hey, who came up with that? It wasn't her. She's got a team, bro. No way. It wasn't her.
No way.
Oh, look, the Mecca. Patrick. Hey. Yo, how close are we to the water? No, you're good. That was wild, dude.
Hey, man, I didn't want to pick up your shot.
No, you're good. Go for it. Oh.
I was like, man, he's gone.
Like, whoa, what a shot.
And it would have been crazy, too. Woo.
I like getting shit for cheap. Yeah.
We broke Nick!
Yeah, Nick is easy to break.
I don't know how you were in the military and we are the most decrepit people you've met.
Yeah, you always some dumbass.
How's the water, Rock?
It's cold.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
You gonna make it?
Oh yeah. I'll be alright for about 15.
And then look at Nick. Look at Nick. Nick, what are you doing?
Oh, yeah. There's a rope, but you're not connected. He's using his brain is what he's doing.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, your rope behind you, bro.
What's up, Kurt?
Doing good. Oh, Thorby bear.
Look at this. We got one ball.
Just leaning.
I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk.
No, I'm just worried about you falling over.
I just tripped, dude. I'm not drunk.
I want the audio for that.
Hey, Ryan, that's pretty good, man.
That's a good idea.
That's pretty good.
It's just tight, dude. It's like I could fall through, dude.
All right, this is where you give your speech, Kurt.
What speech?
I don't know, man. You better have something prepared.
I didn't have anything prepared, but I'll say this. The time in life when all men must join together to be men. And we must drink the beer. And we must obey our fathers.
Call him daddy.
My father said not to drink.
And we should also love the ones that are family. And family extends beyond blood. I love you. Love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. And that's all I have to say.
That's the speech, man. You got it. That's a pretty good one. And then I love. If you don't,
Nick's speech.
Nick speech.
Nick's speech.
Fuck
I'll give my armpit out.
They say to obey your father. And I've never really agreed with that until today.
Why is that?
Because he's right.
Dude, it's so cold.
Love is the answer.
Temperature in there, your body heat.
Nah, you're just stealing points from him now. You're just repeating the same crap.
Where's your speech, dude? Turn that shit around.
I love these people. That's it. It's short.
Dude, I like it.
Hey, what's up, Patrick?
How's it going?
And the,
Going pretty good, man.
They put the bottles.
Pretty darn good.
Yeah.
Or no, it's the bottles.
Well, Patrick went home. The rest of the boys went to the casino. It's just Nick and I enjoying a romantic moment with this sunset right here. But
What's the Esperanza Spalding?
oh, Esperanza Spalding is
The only thing we're missing is wine.
wine.
But